Hi computer viewers, the Smart Fantasy is here with its new learning Linux tutorial, and today we are going to talk about that how we can install Tor browser in Kali Linux. So it's really simple, just follow the steps and get it installed. And don't be confused in my Linux background, because I changed the background and I have the latest version of Kali Linux, which is 2021 I think. So you have to upgrade or update as well before installing this store, because sometimes it causes troubles. So just open a terminal and just search for apt-get install tool. Just click enter, and here it will ask for the verification or confirmation. Do you want to continue yes or no? So you will write Y, that means yes, and just click enter. Now it will start downloading and installing this Tor browser, and it will take some time. Here you can see 5 or 6% has been completed. So just keep patience, it will get installed the Tor browser. As you can see that the Tor browser has been installed. Now it's saying that restart service during package upgrade without asking. There are services installed in your system which need to be started when a certain libraries such as libm, lib, and libserver to upgrade since on. Now as we is given the permission of yes, so it is going to set up all the dependencies of Tor. Now the Tor has successfully installed all the requirements. Now we have to just look for a Tor, so just come to main menu, and hopefully it would be here in the main menu. So first we have to just clear the screen, and here we can see the status of Tor by typing this command. We have to search for a Tor, and then hopefully we will get it. And touch, we have to just come to the terminal once again, service Tor start. That means the Tor has been installed, and here you can see the service of Tor has been started. So that means it has been we have successfully installed this. Guys, if you are facing any kind of troubles while installing the Tor browser, so please feel free to do a comment while watching and responding your comment. So till next video, take care. Allah Hafiz.